Been a while since you've probably thought about this, since it was a couple weeks here after break. But the first question there, we kind of had started for you. We had to plug in the correct equation there. We had a good start. We said C is 1.3K, even drew an arrow where that goes, right? So 27, 1.3K gets plugged in for the C. Everything else stays the same. Anybody happen to have 27 times 1.3 written down anywhere? 35.1, thank you. So then I simply add the K's. 35.1 and 23 would be 58.1. Everything else stays the same, so I gotta take this number divided by 58.1. Do you have that as well? 8.5, so that's $8.50 per hour. Okay, y equals x plus 6, and x plus y equals 100. Which story? Well, that represents story B. One of them is 6 inches taller, and they equal a total of 100. So that matches story B. Okay, question 3. To write the two equations for Claire and Noah. Well, Claire makes 6 goals, 3 penalties, ends the game with 6 points. I'm just using X for goals, Y for penalties, for 6 points. Noah has 8 goals, 9 penalties, worth 22 points, and then you can solve that. Again, solve for X or Y and plug it in. And what you should end up with an answer was 4. And -6, that means goals are worth 4 in this game, and penalties would deduct 6, would have been your answer there. Question number 4, again, a good start there. Another solving equation ones. We can work through this one quick like. So I have my x here. I gotta get rid of a -8. How do you get rid of a -8? You got it. No, 9 times what is 18? 2. Now how do I get my y? You can plug it back into either equation. Let's plug it into the top one. Y is 6 times x. X is 2, so 6 times 2 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. And there is your answer. Question number 5. Easiest one on there. Estimate where that dot is at. Well, maybe 1.75 roughly. And how high? Just shy of 1.5. 1.48. Again, can't really get that one wrong unless you don't do it. And B, which equations do you think would work there? Anybody got a guess? Anybody think they have one of them? Well, let's look at the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 6, right? On this line. So you got 3 choices that have a y-intercept of 6. Slope is negative, so it cannot be this one. So the slope is either -3 or -2.5. So does it go down 3 and over 1? Not quite. Does not quite go down 3 over 1, so I'm going to choose this guy for that line. And the other one, y-intercept of 0, ends up being 5. So 2 and 5 are your two equations there. And that is it for Unit 4.